Hey everyone, if you want to create a chatbot with Zapier, this is the right video. Let me show you how. You have to create a account on Zapier. After that, go to the chatbot option, click on it. After it loads, click on the start free trial. Give a name. When it loads, click start building. Click on the logic. After that, click on collect leads. Then I will remove the phone and company. I will just collect name and email. So after that, I click on create logic. So you can see it asks for my name and email. So I'll just input, and now it will ask for the email. So I'll just input. So it just saved it. Right here, if you go to this and click on this collected data, he- you can see the name and email is here already. You have to click on automate your data. A record is created. Click on it. Now it's done. Now click on this linked asset. You can see right here. Click on it. This one. Now if I check right here and type email, you can see right here. Just like this, you can create AI chatbot with Zapier. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful.